Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. If your ideal home involves the warmth of wood, the tranquility of nature, and the sheer efficiency of modern technology, then you are exactly where you need to be. We are diving deep into one of the most exciting and future-proof trends in modern architecture: rustic prefab cabin woodhouse designs. These homes are redefining the dream of a cozy retreat by combining timeless rustic charm with the speed, precision, and sustainability of modular construction. Today, we're not just looking at beautiful homes, we're breaking down the budget, the best materials, and showcasing our top 10 designs that you can build right now. The beauty of a rustic prefab cabin lies in its materials, which must blend seamlessly with nature while offering superior structural performance. The best choices prioritize sustainability and longevity. For the exterior, you'll often see pressure-treated cedar or cypress wood, which are naturally resistant to rot and insects, giving that classic weathered cabin look. Point 1. Reclaimed wood is a highly sustainable option that adds unmatched character and texture. Inside the walls, modern prefab techniques allow for incredibly high-performance, non-toxic insulation like structural insulated panels, SIPs. Point 2. These panels provide a tighter thermal envelope than traditional stick-built homes, drastically reducing energy consumption, a key component of the future-proof lifestyle. Choosing wood with natural, warm tones such as exposed pine or fir for interior beams and paneling ensures that rustic cozy atmosphere is maintained while adhering to modern green building standards. Budget breakdown: how much does a prefab cabin cost? One of the greatest benefits of the prefab model is a much clearer, more predictable budget. The cost to build a rustic prefab cabin typically falls into three categories, though costs will vary wildly based on size, location, and finishes. Tier 1: the basic cabin kit, $80,000 to $150,000. This is the cost of the basic structure delivered to your site. It includes the pre-cut materials, walls, roof system, and basic plans. It does not include the foundation, assembly labor, interior finishes, electrical, plumbing, or land. This is best for experienced DIY builders. Tier 2: the mid-range finished shell, $180,000 to $350,000. This covers the full assembled exterior shell, including windows, doors, roofing, and sometimes the subfloors and exterior deck. You still need to manage and fund the interior finishes, utilities, and site work. Tier 3: the turnkey cabin, $350,000 to $600,000 plus. This is the all-inclusive price. It covers the home, assembly, foundation, full utility hookups, and all high-end interior finishes, flooring, cabinetry, fixtures. While the most expensive upfront, it is the most predictable budget for a hassle-free, move-in ready experience. With the logistics covered, let's get inspired. Here are our top 10 rustic prefab cabin designs that perfectly capture the cozy aesthetic while utilizing smart, modern construction. 1. The classic gable A-frame cabin. This design is the epitome of the classic wilderness retreat, reimagined through modular efficiency. The prominent A-frame features natural, untreated wood siding that will beautifully weather over time, integrating the home into its natural setting. The steep roofline is functional, shedding snow and rain easily, while the open gable end provides space for a large picture window, allowing the interior to be bathed in natural light and maximizing the sweeping forest views. The simple structure makes it highly efficient for factory assembly and quick on-site installation. 2. The modern horizontal clad cabin. A sleek, contemporary take on the cabin aesthetic, this design utilizes strong horizontal lines achieved through uniform wood plank siding. The contrast between the warm, medium-toned wood and the dark-framed, expansive glass panels gives it a sophisticated, minimalist edge. The modular components allow for this elongated, low-profile form, which is ideal for a flat site and maximizes the interior-exterior connection. This is the perfect blend of rustic materials and modern clean line architecture. 3. The compact vertical cedar cube ideal. For a tighter budget or smaller lot, this compact cabin maximizes vertical space and impact. It features vertical cedar wood cladding, which draws the eye upward and adds a sense of height. The design is a simple cube or rectangle, which is highly cost-efficient in prefab manufacturing due to minimal material waste. The large, strategically placed windows ensure that the interior feels spacious despite the small footprint, making it a powerful example of minimalist, efficient living. 4. The dark-clad rustic industrial cabin. This striking design leans into a slightly more industrial, rustic fusion. The wood siding is finished in a dark stain, perhaps black or deep charcoal, which contrasts sharply with the lighter natural wood of the decking or interior accents. The dark color makes the home recede into the shadows of the forest, creating a dramatic and moody aesthetic. The modular design simplifies the complex geometries often found in this style, ensuring a precise and durable build. 5. The traditional log-style modular home. For those who prefer a more authentic classic look, this design utilizes prefabricated wood panels that perfectly mimic the look and texture of traditional stacked logs. The result is a robust, cozy, and highly insulated structure that delivers that quintessential log cabin feeling without the extensive labor and settling issues of true log construction. The covered porch and visible eaves complete the timeless, rugged charm. 6. The elevated minimalist box cabin. This contemporary modular cabin is often elevated on pillars or a small foundation, giving it a commanding view and minimizing its impact on the ground below. The design is purely minimalist, focusing on unadorned wood cladding and large walls of glass. It features a simple, flat roof, a characteristic that is easy to achieve and seal in a factory setting, ensuring superior waterproofing. This style is popular for architects seeking a refined, hygge-inspired retreat. 7. The nature-integrated deck cabin. The true essence of this design is the symbiotic relationship between the home and its massive outdoor living space. The modular cabin itself serves as an anchor for an expansive wooden deck, which is designed to flow seamlessly into the surrounding nature. The warm wood cladding continues onto the deck structure, unifying the elements. This home highlights the nature-integrated aspect of the trend, prioritizing outdoor comfort and immersion. 8. The dual-module modern cabin. This home clearly illustrates the modular process consisting of 2 or more distinct boxes joined on site to create a larger, open living area. This allows for clear functional separation, such as a private wing and a main living area. The exterior features a mix of 2 materials, perhaps a light wood siding paired with a darker trim or metal, highlighting the home's contemporary construction while maintaining a rustic, natural feel. 9. The multi-level family retreat. Dispelling the myth that prefab means small, this design demonstrates a multi-level cabin perfectly suited for a larger family or extensive entertaining. The multiple gables and varied rooflines add complexity and visual interest, while the consistent wood cladding keeps the rustic theme intact. Prefabrication ensures that the structural integrity of the complex taller modules is perfectly maintained, resulting in a robust and spacious modern lodge. Number 10. The small footprint sustainable cabin. This cabin prioritizes high efficiency and a very small environmental footprint. The clean, simple box form is ideal for installing rooftop solar panels or a green roof, maximizing its sustainability credentials. The entire structure is wrapped in wood siding for a warm feel, but the focus remains on energy-efficient windows and tight construction seals, making it a highly responsible and durable home for the minimalist, eco-conscious builder. From the transparent budget to the use of high-performance sustainable materials, the Rustic Prefab cabin is truly a future-proof solution for homeownership. It offers the beauty and warmth we crave in a retreat, combined with the technological advantages we demand in modern construction. These homes are challenging the high costs and lengthy timelines of traditional building, proving that your dream of a beautiful, nature-integrated home can be realized faster, smarter, and with a more predictable budget. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you, and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.